I jumped out of the pan. I went into a can. I was covered with sugar. It made me sweeter. Would you like some more? Yes, please more. Who will help me water the flower? I will, said the bird. Who will help me water the grass? I will, said the mouse. Mommy, where are you? I will be home soon. Do you like to go shopping? Yes, I do. Do you like to go swimming? Yes, I do. You must be kidding. Some ice cream and some chocolate. They are in the blender. Now, I mix them together. Soon, you will have a shake that I made for you. Do you like the shake? Oh. Yes, I do.